as a Russian tank was firing off some rounds before starting to retreat. A Ukrainian drone was in high pursuit after. But as this drone was loaded with high explosive dual-purpose grenades, which it drops down, the ability to target the moving tank is greatly lowered. However, the skills of this Ukrainian drone operator was showing is amazing, as he drops the grenade as the drone and tank was moving, and from dozens of meters up in the air, leaving the grenade to hit the moving tank just next to the turret. While the limited warhead didn't seem to do any substantial damage, the tank stopped soon thereafter, possibly disabling it by hitting the track. As another tank comes to tow it away, the drone drops another grenade, hitting just next to the hatch of the tank, hitting the side of the tank, most likely destroying this, leading 2 very good hits to damage 2 tanks, leading them to need repairs before being brought back into battle. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.